Right, so everybody loves good car visuals, driving down the road, ripping Subaru burbles, evil flutters, whatever the case may be, but audio can make or break that footage. If you don't have good audio, it's gonna look flat. This is how you get the best audio sound from the car. This is where you'll get the raw tone, the burble, the pops, the bangs, everything that sounds nice about the car. This is what you would hear if you were standing on the side of the road. Placement 2, the engine bay. Now make sure when you put it in the engine bay, it's not going to catch on the hood when you close it. Put it somewhere off to the side, preferably where the turbo would be, or somewhere where it's going to sound nice. Anywhere in the engine bay is going to pick up roughly the same sound anyway, because it's such a closed, confined space. 3, cabin. If you put it inside the cabin, you're going to get those mechanical tones from the driver's perspective. You're going to hear the audio from the car as if you're driving it. That is kind of a niche one that people might like or might not like, but I think it's great. So it can give you a vast array of different shot options when you're shooting the cars. Next one. What you're going to want to do is stand on the side of the road and get somebody to drive the car for you. This is going to give you a drive-by sound effect, which is going to sound so much cooler for those shots where the car flies by you than just having it on the exhaust. And finally, the bonus tip, when you want to remove the mic that has a magnet, simply put a piece of paper below it and pull the paper so you're not scraping the bodywork, because if you slide that magnet, chances are it's going to scrape.